Here are some frequently asked questions about sewer laterals. Number 1. What is a sewer lateral? A sewer lateral or a sewer house connection is a pipe that carries wastewater from buildings on private property, for example from homes or businesses, to the public city-owned sewer system. The sewer lateral consists of upper and lower lateral. The upper lateral extends from the building structure to the property line. The lower lateral extends from the property line to the mainline sewer, usually in the street, under an alley, or in an easement on private property. Number 2, there is a problem with my sewer lateral. Will the city fix it? Within the city of Los Angeles, property owners are responsible for all damages and repair to the entire lateral up to the point of connection to the public city sewers, including under the street or alley. Similar to other local cities and municipalities, this includes the upper and lower lateral. A sewer easement allows for the private connection to the public sewer system for the property's sewer lateral through the public right-of-way, under the sidewalk, street, or alley. Since the sewer lateral is for the benefit of only the connected property, the city will not maintain or repair the upper or the lower lateral, but private companies do offer insurance specifically for sewer laterals that homeowners may want to consider. Number 3, if a city-owned tree causes root intrusion or damage to a sewer lateral, who is responsible for cleaning or repairing the lateral? The sewer lateral is the responsibility of the property owner. This is true even if the source of root intrusion or damage is partly or entirely from trees planted in the public right-of-way. The Bureau of Street Services Urban Forestry Division will assist property owners in acquiring the necessary permits if the sewer problem involves work on a street tree. Call 311. Number 5, can my plumber work on my sewer line? Yes, a bonded and licensed plumber with a Los Angeles City business license can do the work. The plumber would need to apply for a S permit. Unless it's in public right-of-way, then an A permit would be required. Number 6, does the city provide financial assistance to property owners for lateral repair or replacement? The city does not provide loans or grants to cover the cost of sewer lateral repair or replacement. That's why it is important to protect laterals and prevent any damage. The city does, however, offer a rebate for CCTV inspection of your sewer lateral, and a rebate for sewer lateral repairs. That information can be found at www.lacitisan.org. Number 7, how do I find a reliable contractor? Helpful information on finding and hiring a reliable licensed plumber who is authorized to do work in public right-of-way in Los Angeles are available at the following website: www.lacitisan.org/sewerhazards.